Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare 3 homemade lip balm recipes. This lip balm is not only nourishing but also adds a beautiful shine and tint to your lips. We are preparing transparent lip balm, beetroot lip balm and tinted lip balm. Let's get started. I bought these beeswax pellets from online. Follow the instructions. Here I am adding the ingredients in 2:1:1 ratio. That is 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Shea butter is so good for dry, chapped lips and skin. Now I am adding shea butter to the beeswax, quantity as mentioned in the ratio. As you can see, the shea butter is so creamy and hydrating. Now I am adding coconut oil to the mixture. Coconut oil can help hydrate and moisturize the lips. Add few drops of any essential oil. Mix all the ingredients. Here I am using double boiler method to heat the mixture. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Let it melt completely. Stir the mixture occasionally until everything is completely melted and well combined. Number 1. Transparent lip balm. Carefully pour the melted mixture into lip balm containers or small jars. Be sure to work quickly as the mixture will start to solidify as it cools. Number 2. Beetroot lip balm. Take beetroot powder half tablespoon or adjust the amount according to your desired shade. Now add the liquid and stir the mixture well until the beetroot powder is evenly distributed. Transfer it to a clean container. Number 3. Tinted lip balm. Choose your favorite color lipstick. Add a little amount of color to the liquid and melt it completely. Transfer it to a container. Allow the lip balm to cool and solidify completely at room temperature. This may take a couple of hours depending on the temperature of your environment. Once your lip balm has solidified, it's ready to use. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.